Welcome to Painting a Winter Cabin in Procreate. We're going to do some oil painting in Procreate. We're going to create a beautiful winter scene. A cabin in the evening with some beautiful lights, some trees around it, a nice atmosphere. Just a beautiful painting, really fitting winter well. Giving that warm feeling of the cabin, yet showing that it is cold outside. To be able to oil paint in Procreate, we need some brushes, and this class comes with a great set of oil paint brushes. I'm going to show you how to use these brushes through creating this painting together. Now, oil painting in Procreate is really a lot of fun, and you can create beautiful things with it. And I'm going to show you step by step how to use these oil brushes to create a beautiful scene together. I'm also going to show you how to pay attention to certain details, how to create the light effects, how to add some shadow to your paintings, and how everything in the painting works together to create something beautiful and cohesive. Once we've gone through the class, then I'm pretty sure that you know how to use these brushes and you can use them in your own artworks too. That's the whole idea, isn't it? I want to show you how to create a beautiful scene, and with all these techniques and all the materials supplied, you can create something really pretty. The brushes are not the only thing supplied with this class. I also supply the sketch so that I don't have to walk you through. We can just go painting right away, and a color swatch really fitting this winter cabin scene. So everything you need is right with this class. The steps to follow and all the materials. All you need to bring is your iPad, Procreate, your Apple Pencil, and then we're ready to go.